So in this video today, I'll practically show you the credit alert, the messages that has been coming, because Sophia here is a doubting Thomas, and she asks, you can click on the comment, it will take you to the question she asks. So right here am I, this is my app. I will click on the message and I will click on arrival notice. So mostly I don't withdraw my money until it's 100 USDT. So sometimes 120, sometimes 90, I just withdraw them. So here is the credit alert. This is not to show off, because as much as I'm making this money, I have 4 children. I have a lot of responsibilities. That is the responsibility. He won't pursue me come up for Niger. So let's go to my trust wallet. So here is my trust wallet. As you can see, 2,200 USDT. So yes, I have been withdrawing from this app, and if you are interested, please let me know in the comment section and wait till the end of the video. So if I click on USDT, you can see today I remove 100 USDT, and on the 16th I remove, and so on and so forth. The money is coming and I'm investing, and I'm also spending a lot. It's not easy raising 4 kids, honestly. I don't want to go into detail, but those that are close to me will understand what I am passing through. So that being said, if you are here, you are interested, please let me know in the comment section or watch this particular video. I will drop the link in the description of this video and the comment section. And those that are in the app and they are not making this much, reason is because there are different ways you can work harder and smarter. That is why in this particular video that I share 13 different ways I make money on the app. You can also go and watch that video. And aside from this app, I have another app also that I'm using to make money on the internet. But honestly, all this app favors ladies most. So if you are interested, ask in the comment section so that I will give you the link to the video that will explain to you better. So please like this video, drop a thoughtful comment, ask your question. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet. We talk about cryptocurrency. And if you have a question that you need a practical video, I can actually reply to you right here on YouTube. Yes, I reply to you with a video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.